Hi, I am doing the one in the wheel today, and it ended up being that the input motion on this is the crank, and it's rotary, and the output motion ended up being this, as in the wheel, and it's rotary too. And it ended up being that the gear ratio is 84:1, so as you can see, you have to crank this 84 times to get it to go around just one time. And it ended up being that the flow of power is not reversible, because this, you have to crank this, but you can't crank this, as in this won't work, so it's not reversible. And it also ended up being that the direction of power is reversible, because you can crank it this way, and you can crank it this way. So you can crank it both ways, so the direction of power is reversible. But the worm in the wheel is used in factories such as to manufacture cars or to lift cars or heavy weights in factories, such as if you have to pick up pallets, because its speed is very slow, as you can see, but being that its speed's very slow, its torque is very high, as it has high power, so it ended up being that it would be good for a factory.